Tonight is about storytelling, and we've called it Bold Stories. There cannot be a more important time that we must be deliberate with storytelling than now.
These were all things that, we applaud Africa for the stars, but behind the stars is a whole lot of business, a whole lot of jobs, a whole lot of economy, but they're not often happening in Africa. They're happening elsewhere. And this is what we wanted to speak about, how do we get that whole value chain back in the countries. And what better way to do it than to hear our people speak to the gifts that they have and that they share with us. And tonight it will be about storytelling.